If you watch this video to the very end and you pay close attention to every steps in this video, you will have the chance to make money like this, 2,000 naira to 3,000 naira. And in this video, I'm still going to show you more on how you can still skill up yourself and earn something like this: 60,000 naira, 180,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 30,000 naira, with just little experience that I'm going to share with you in this video today. So subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's get to the video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a process that will make you 2,000 naira to 180,000 naira per week. And it's something simple, and it's something you can do with your smartphone or your laptop computer or anything, or your tablet. So all you need to do is just pay close attention to this video and make sure you understand every step shown in this video, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can get notified once I drop another video like this, so that will help you financially. You understand? So let me show you how this process works. So the first thing you need to understand is what the website that's going to make us this money. And this website is called Writersgig, and you can just go over to writersgig.com. Then you sign up an account, or you click the link in the description below to sign up an account. So one of the two, just sign up an account, and let me show you how you will sign up your account. So right here, once you come over to Writersgig, or you click the link, so you click on sign up right here, then you will see a page like this. You choose writer, then you fill out your information. Once you fill out your information right here, then they will send you a mail like this. We ask you to confirm your account. So once you verify your account, that means you are done. Then you will be prompted to a page where you fill your personal details, a page where you fill your personal details from your picture to your biography like this, and any of your details will be asked, your contact information, your bank details, everything. You have to fill it there. Then once you come over to your dashboard like this, then you have the chance to make money. And this way, I want to walk you through the process, how you can make this money as soon as possible. It's something simple. So this is a brand new account that I set up for the sake of this tutorial, so I can show you how you can do this from scratch. You understand? So the first thing, after filling out your details and on your dashboard like this, is to come over to this place to take training. You come over to take training, then you have to watch these two video. Once you watch these two videos, you click get started right here, then you come over to your dashboard, then you take assessment. So the assessment, then you can see the instruction. So you have to write something, you have to write an article, and you add an image where necessary, and you submit it to them. You submit it to them. You can see something like this. Okay, this is example. This is example of what you should do, so you can make the real money. I'm going to make the money by writing for people, and you can see right here, people are making tons of money doing this stuff like I want to show you. So once you, after this video, just jump over to this website and sign up your account, complete the process, then you stand a chance to make the money for yourself. You understand? So this person is making the money already, so you can join him. You can join her as soon as possible. So you know what this website is all about now, and you know what you need to do to start. And now is how to render the service. You know this, you have to write a content or article. So once you create your gig, it's because I've not passed through the assessment of this account, so I will not be able to create any gig right here, but I will show you the process on how to create the gig. So you can see it's loading, but it won't let me set it up. But let me show you how you can render this service as soon as possible. The website that will help you to write, I don't want to stress you and I don't want to stress yourself. Okay, the website that will help you to write article is just an AI online, and I'm going to teach you how you can make this AI content original, so you can submit it to your client and you make the money. You can see, so your gig title is something like this. It's something like this: creating content with a touch of magic. You understand? That's your gig title. Then you select your category, then your search tag. Your search tag should be content writing, article writing, and other stuff like that. You understand? So the next thing is your description, and your description is something like this, where you will state what you are trying to offer in this service, like this, about this gig. So this is what your description should look like. You understand, like that? And the next thing is your pricing. That's where you set, maybe you are charging 2,000 naira or you are charging 3,000 naira. That depends on you. Next thing is to submit your article, your gig for preview, and then publish it. So once your gig is reviewed and was approved, then it will be published. Now you set up your account, you set up your gig. So once you get a client, how will you render your service? Okay, assuming I hire you now, and I want you to write an article for me about health and fitness. So I just said, okay, write an article for me about, I write 1,000 words article for me about health and fitness. Then submit it within 24 hours. So this is how you're going to do it, with something simple like that. So this website called chat.openai.com will help you to write any kind of your article or content or anything. And all you need to do once this site help you with your article is just to make it original, then you proofread it and submit it to your client and you get paid. So it's something simple as that. So let me show you how now. I said, okay, I'm your client right now, and I asked you to write 1000 words article for me about health and fitness. So this is how you are going to do it. So you come over to this website. So once you have a page like this, you just tell this software, okay, please, your clients just give you the niche and you don't know the title to write on. So you just be like, please generate a killer article title for health and fitness niche. So once you input something like that, it's going to give you an article topic, and if you are not cool with this, you can easily regenerate another one by just saying, okay, another one please. If you are not cool with that, so you can see, so it's something simple like that. So assuming I'm going with this first one, all I need to do is, okay, I said, okay, write, okay, outline 5 paragraph for this title. So once I put something in like that, you can see it's giving me the information. So all you need to do right here is writing it already. So all you need is to open up a page called word counter. So you can use it to count your word. Maybe it's up to 1000 words or less. You understand? You can easily use your notepad as well, but I advise you use word counter so you won't waste much of your time right here. So okay, once you have something like this and you still writing for me, okay, it's writing. So once it's done like this, you have to just copy this. Okay, you are writing 1000 words and I said 5. Okay, I will just copy this. Then I said write 200 words about this. So it's going to write it down, as you can see. So it's going to write 200 words for me about that. And once that is done, I will do the same for number 2. Like I will put something like write 200 words about number 2, as you can see. So I'm going to put that in again. So it will generate the article for me, and I'm going to do the same for number 3. So for number 3 now, write 200 words about this. So I'm waiting for this to load up. Okay, still writing. Okay, so once you do that for every paragraph, and all you need to do is to start from here, then you just copy your title, you leave your title, then you start from number 1, you copy it out to word counter so you can know how many words that is. You can see 183. Then you just drop down, then you come over to number 2, then you fit this in here, then you come over to number 3. So I'm going to use this number 3 as number 5, you understand? So I'm going to copy that. So assuming this is my number 5, now, so I'm going to put this down. So I'm going to differentiate this so you can know. So this is my title right here. So here is my article title. So I'm going to fit it in like this. Okay, so the next thing is introduction. You can just copy this and paste it here, or you can just leave it like that. Or if it's introduction, you can leave it. Then you can just put something like this: adopt a balanced diet. So you can use it as number 2, which is this place. So just paste it there like this. Okay, as you can see, so that's how you format your article till you get to 1000 words. So assuming I have my 1000 words already, all I need to do is to correct the grammar and proofread it. So I'm going to copy the whole article like this, and I'm going to come over to this website called grammarly.com. Once I come over to grammarly.com, I will have a page like this. As you can see, it's loading up. So once I paste all my text right here, so it's going to make it 100% unique, and I'm going to check for plagiarism, and after that I'm going to deliver it to my clients, something simple like that, and I'm going to get paid. So that's how this works, and it's something simple like that. So let me do the proofreading right here so you can see how you can what it look like and how you will go through it. So it's not something like that. I'm going to copy the whole thing, and I'm coming over here. Then once I paste it right here, so it's going to read my article and let me know where the problem is. As you can see, okay, it's not showing me any error, and you can see my overall score is 84. So this article is kind of good, but right here on my word counter is saying some things, so I can easily fix it up from here as well. So as you can see, so once you fix it up, as you can see, so I fix the error up, so as you can see. Okay, so everything is up. If I copy this now and check here, you know we have 84 already. So if I check here again, let's see what it look like. Let's see what it look like. Let's see. You can see 86. So that's how it is. So you can easily come over here and download this as a text document. So once you download it like this, you can easily submit it to your client. As you can see, I've downloaded it, so you can easily submit it to your client like that. But if you want to make your work professional, you can easily check for plagiarism as well. So you can just come over to google.com like this and search for plagiarism checker. So once you click on plagiarism checker, you will see a lot. So you can use this, to check. You can use this check. You know, we use AI and it might happen someone have used it before, so you can easily change, you can read and change some things in there. And if you can't, let me still show you how you can do that. So right here, we need to come over here and type something like Quilbot. So Quilbot right here. So I'm going to click on this. So this website will help us to rewrite the part of this article, so we won't get any issue. I will just copy this and come over here and paste it right here. So I'm going to rephrase. So it's going to rewrite this, and you can see, as you can see. So I can just copy this and use it to replace. This right here. So as you can see, so that's how you are going to walk through the process. And once you are done with everything and you download it, you can come over to this plagiarism checker Q test and you check for plagiarism. So let's assume I want to check for plagiarism of this. And I'm going to come over and copy it. Then I come over to this website again and paste it. Then I'm going to check for plagiarism. So it's going to load up and it feed me back maybe there's any plagiarism in the text or not. So let's wait for the result. Okay, let's wait for the result. It's loading. And if there is any issue about plagiarism after your result, you can just copy the plagiarized part, and use Quilbot to spin it and recheck again till you have a unique article. So it's something simple like that. So you can just click the link in the description below, set up your account on the website called Writersgig and take your assessment, then create your gig, follow this process to deliver high quality content to your client. Then you have the chance to make money. If you like this video and you want something like this every time, you can subscribe to this channel, as we see you in the next video.